are locked into Naomi Veronica, Neptune's Nature, track breakdown. Alright, so obviously, vocals aside, the main musical element are the strings. Next main element are the ghosts. Added a layer to that, which is the same thing but with modulation on it, and the room. Now in context. Alright, so next up, we got solid plain vocals, nothing special here.
Damn, you're tall. Make a nigga wanna have it all.
Duplicated that, then pitched it down using Pitch Monster.
Damn, you're tall.
Now all the way at the end, we decided to take off the upper range of the vocals just to darken the whole feel of the song.
Decisions making lately.
And all my exes think I'm crazy. Jinkies drop my glasses, things are getting kinda hazy.
And a limiter just to make sure nothing goes wild, you feel?
No, not maybe.
Now for the hook, we switched it up just to play around with dynamics a little bit.
You're cruel only to be kind.
Now to give everything a little bit more punch, more optics with some sound effects, we got some curses, which are some laughs from a cartoon, some Tom Brady highlights, and a car revving up.
Deal better feel cursed. Fair flower. Cheap about a dozen Tom Brady. You're cruel only to be kind. Don't worry about who gets to steal. We know.
To wrap things up, we've got some prose. It's essentially the same process as the verses, just that over here everything is summed together already. Then I dragged it into this session.
Along great Neptune's ocean washes blood.
We ended up with some robotic sounding shit, but it works with the mood. It's all about the fucking mood.
Along great Neptune's ocean washes blood.
And that's it.